And ladies and gentlemen, we now welcome our eminent speaker, Mr. Panji Arum Bismantoko, Maintenance Division Head, PT Mrt Jakarta. Appointed as the Division Head for Railway Maintenance Division of PT Mrt Jakarta with scope of works to maintain and manage all asset operation of PT Mrt Jakarta and coordinate 6 maintenance departments with total of 180 permanent manpower and more than 150 outsourcing staff. The Rolling Stock Depot Maintenance Department, Rolling Stock Workshop Maintenance Department, Station Building Facilities Maintenance Department, Track Civil Structure Maintenance Department, Power Maintenance Department, Signaling and Telecommunication Maintenance Department. And warm welcome to you, sir, and over to you, sir, for your presentation.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming and see my presentations, and thank you also to the committee of the Third Rail Technology Expo 2021 Digital Rail Analysis for inviting me as the speaker. My name is Panji, and I'm the head of Railway Maintenance Division Mrt Jakarta. Today, I would like to share about Mrt Jakarta operation and future challenge. Today's content of my presentation is Mrt Jakarta Overview, Railway Maintenance Division Journey, Mrt Jakarta Future Challenges, and Mrt Jakarta Impact to the surrounding areas. First, about Mrt Jakarta Overview. We talk about Jakarta. It's a capital city of Indonesia, and for the number of people, by night we have 10.1 million people, and by day we have 14.5 million people. It means there are 4.5 million people for commuting inside the Jakarta. And fact of Jakarta, before the pandemic, Jakarta was the third city, the worst traffic third city in the world. And 76% people using private car and only 24% people using public transportations. With that kind of worst traffic jam, Jakarta estimation of economic loss is around 5 billion US dollar a year. And the air pollution is around 80% vehicle contribution to the air pollution. So answering the challenges of Jakarta, the Jakarta local government established Mrt Jakarta by 2008 and made local government regulation on 2018. Mrt Jakarta have 3 mandates to do. First is infrastructure development, to develop station, depot, rail, and the MRT train. And then the second is operation and maintenance of all the development of infrastructure. Third is a business and transit-oriented development surrounding areas of MRT Jakarta operation. This is Mrt Jakarta network existing in the future for operations. First, the red line is north-south that Mrt Jakarta now have operated phase 1 from Lebak Bulus, this point to the Bundaran HI. We have 13 stations, and now we are ongoing currently for the phase 2 to the Lebak to the Kota. And then we also plan to build the east-west from the Ujung Menteng, West Jakarta to the East Jakarta. And then we also plan to build outer loop line from Fatmawati to the Taman Mini. Since operation of Mrt Jakarta from 2019 to 2030, we get a lot of achievements in coming from the stakeholders and shareholders, and also in 2022, even in pandemic era that we face, we still got a lot of awards because of our service excellence and safety and security high standard. And in 2021, we also got some money achievement. The main achievement is first we already implementing the safeguard for the COVID protocol 19 protocol, and then we also get the FIDIC Project Awards 2021 for the MRT Phase 1 project. Well, while the COVID-19 pandemic, we also implementing innovations to ensure our passengers safe inside our station and trains. We install thermal scanner before entering stations, and we also install contactless lift. We also install to clean out our train. We using the UVC after the operation, and we also providing the isolation room if passengers needs to be evacuated. And we also put a stepping sign sticker inside the train. I would like to move to the railway maintenance division journey that we face for the almost 3 years operation of MRT Jakarta. First, I would like to tell about the structural organization of railway maintenance inside MRT Jakarta. We have 6 departments. First is signaling telecommunication department that in charge for the signaling and telecommunications maintenance. And the second is rolling stock workshop maintenance that in charge for the heavy maintenance of train, rolling stock, and also in charge for the overhaul. And then the rolling stock depot maintenance is in charge for the light maintenance and monthly maintenance. The fourth is track civil structure. We know to ensure the reliability of rail and the structure of the tunnel and also the bridge. And for the power maintenance, in charge for the electricity from the high voltage to medium voltage, and station building facilities departments in charge for the M&E of the station, such as the air conditioning, the platform screen door, and the escalator elevator. Well, MRT Jakarta facing the one of the big major incident is on 4th August 2019 that we're facing blackout from our external power supply. Almost half of Java Island in Indonesia, even the capital city, blackout almost 6 hours. After that kind of power outage incident, we got so many improvements to do. First, we increased our intensity to do regular maintenance of diesel engine generator for the support of live emergency system. And then we ensure the installation of emergency lights inside the tunnel can working well. And then we also check the safety device of the elevator. And we also collaboration with our national power supply of Indonesia, PLN, that they will provide a backup power that can operate train for the emergency system. And the second major incident also that we faced on 8th of October 2020 that at that time some people in Indonesia they have a demonstration against the omnibus law to the government, but they do some damage to the MRT Jakarta's entrances that you can see in this picture. Can see it's happened on Thursday, 8th of October 2020. And after that, we got instruction from the governor from Indonesian Jakarta local government that we have to fix or repair our station within 2 days or 3 days. So on 12th of October, on Monday, have to be ready. And we did it in my maintenance divisions only 3 days after the instruction that we can fix it all the damages for all of our damage at the entrance of MRT Jakarta. And later on, recently, we got some internal power outage blackout on 10 September 2021 that make us to evacuate passenger again because of we have a ground fault alarm that trip all the power supply of MRT Jakarta. And after that in the night, we do investigation by supporting from our national power supply in PLN that we found there is a damaged cable that make all the entire of MRT Jakarta power supply is a trip blackout. And we repair that cable and then we do splicing again so to ensure the operation be ready in the following days. So next is MRT Jakarta Future Challenges. First of all, after as I mentioned before, MRT Jakarta now doing the phase 2A project construction now, and then in this project we have 7 stations to be built, and we divide it into three packets for the civil works contract package 201, 202, and 203. And then now currently built for the 7 station, and then we also divided to another packages for the railway system for the 205, and then 206 for the rolling stock, and then for 207 is for the AFC system. And then the following challenges that we will face of MRT Jakarta is we will do the overall activities of rolling stock for because of a 4-year period. And then this first overall will be held in December 2021, and we have a target to complete all the overhaul will on May 2023. And this activity will be done by MRT Jakarta technician, but also supervised by the technical expert from the Japan. So because we want to ensure that our works will have same quality that with Japanese do, and we will get supervising by Japan Railway East. And then because of the pandemic that disruption all of the transportation industry, MRT Jakarta set up a new format business that we call business beyond normal. We have 3 axes of transformations. First, that MRT Jakarta will also want to provide the network provider can be expanding the network of MRT. And the second is we would like to have to be urban platformer. We want to focus in digitalization, so we can have some kind of digital application to be our new business. And then the city regenerator that MRT Jakarta will promoting the new concept of city inside the Jakarta. And then in 2023, our goals is we would like to be world-class operator with a high standard railway operator. And then MRT Jakarta will want to be a consultant for the rail base for the first of our target is at Indonesia, and then excellence of railway training center. And also later on, we would like to be a shadow operator for the other project of railway industry in Indonesia. MRT Jakarta impact of phase 1, we would like to share about also that this is our MRT Jakarta impact to the city. So before the MRT Jakarta operation, that we can see the live images that you can see the pedestrian near MRT Jakarta station is very completely totally not good. And then we promoting new concept and new era of the pedestrianization, and we also promoting the urban regeneration that people can be more comfort to walk at the pedestrian. We do some kind of regeneration that people can be more live happily in Jakarta. And also we have we got a research study from University of Indonesia, one of university in Indonesia, that because of the MRT Jakarta, it encourages national and regional economic improvement, such as that the land value capture revenue potentials almost 1.8 trillion rupiah, and also there is a increment of direct and indirect tax because of MRT Jakarta operations, and also the quality life of communities surrounding areas of MRT Jakarta phase 1 become more improved, such as MRT Jakarta also reduce traffic jams more than 3%, and also MRT Jakarta improve the environmental quality 18%, and we do also some research to the customer that 87% respondent get more quality time outside working hours, and 83% respondent enjoy improvement of personal health quality because of MRT Jakarta. 74% respondent also experience a decreased stress level during journey from home to work. And then 93% respondents become more punctual on their way to work. This is my last slide. I want to make a last closing statement that MRT Jakarta is more than just a piece of infrastructure. MRT Jakarta has also shaped a new urban community character and culture. We have helped to curtail traffic congestion, reduce air pollution, and improve people's quality of life and welfare. Thank you. This my presentation today. Hope can be beneficial to you all, ladies and gentlemen. See you again another conference. Thank you.